If you're applying to college this year and feeling overwhelmed by the Common App, what it is, how it works, and what's different this year, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Common Application, including what it is, how to use it effectively, and what's the most important updates for the 2025-2026 cycle. I'm Jermaine, former senior admissions counselor at Columbia University, and now lead counselor at Empowerly College Counseling. Today I'm diving into the Common App. So if you're a rising senior or already working on apps, stick around. This could save you hours of headache. So let's jump in. Before we go any further, we need to make sure we all understand exactly what the Common App is. The Common App, short for Common Application, is a single online platform that lets you apply to over 1,000 colleges in one place. It's designed to simplify your college application process. So instead of filling out 10 different applications, you complete one main application and then send it to all the schools on your list, plus any school-specific questions or supplements that they ask for. Here are a few examples of schools that use the Common App: NYU, University of Michigan, Boston University, Stanford, and many liberal arts colleges. It's even some international schools. But note that it is not every school that uses this. For example, the University of California system and the CSU schools have their own applications. There are quite a few different pieces to the Common Application. But like we just talked about, the best part is that you can fill this out once for many different schools that you want to apply to. So here's what you'll fill out on the Common App. In the profile section, it'll be your name, address, citizenship, and demographics. In the family section, it'll be information about your parents or guardians. In the education section, it'll be your high school, courses, and GPA. In the testing section, which is optional, it'll be the SAT and ACT scores if you're submitting. In the activity section, it'll be up to 10 extracurriculars with 150 character descriptions. In the writing section, it'll be your 650-word personal statement. In the college-specific questions, it'll be the supplemental essays or short answers, and the honors, courses, disciplinary info, and more. So this is my biggest pro tip if you have to fill out that Common Application this year. Fill out the general sections early so you can focus on the supplements and more complicated pieces later. So the Common Application for the 2025 and 2026 admission cycle officially opens on August 1st, 2025. This is the date when you can begin submitting applications for the fall 2025 semester. However, even before August 1st, you can create an account, explore the application sections, and start drafting your personal statement and other materials. This early preparation can be huge in helping you stay organized and reduce stress as deadlines approach. So let's talk about what's new for this application cycle. These updates are important and could affect how you approach the application. So number one, no more disciplinary history question, which is a big change. The Common App no longer asks about school disciplinary records. This is meant to make the process more equitable for students from different backgrounds and schools. Number two, expanded gender identity and name option. The platform now allows for you to list your chosen name, pronouns, and more inclusive gender identity options. Colleges will see the name and identity that you want them to see. Number three, fee waiver improvements. It's now even easier to request a fee waiver. No counselor signature required. So if you qualify for free or reduced lunch or other aid, you likely qualify. Number four, new colleges added. So over 20 new schools have joined the Common App this year, including some public universities. Always check your college list. Your target school might be on it now. And number five, mobile-friendly experience. The Common App has improved its mobile layout so you can work from your phone or tablet. Great for making edits on the go. Number six, reduce limits for additional information. So for first-year applicants, the word limit for the additional information section will decrease from 650 to 300 words maximum. This will definitely require students to be more concise in their response. Number seven, improved application review process. The Common App has improved the review process for counselors and recommenders to ensure that they can keep better track of the status of documents submitted on behalf of students. They've also streamlined how recommenders upload documents and track them, making it easier for them to submit everything on time. And number eight, updated financial aid section. So the financial aid section has been updated to provide clearer guidance on how students can apply for financial aid assistance, especially when there are unique family situations or income sources. Some schools have even added specific fields for information about special circumstances, such as family layoffs or even medical expenses. Here are three things I always tell my students that you can do now that will really help you in the long run and could even increase your chances of admission at your dream schools. So number one, reorder your activities. Put your most important activity first. This is what admissions officers see at a glance. This can be the research that you've done, something that you founded, a leadership position related to your major interests, and things of that nature. So you want to make sure to put that first. And number two, keep a master list of essays. Track each college's deadline and supplemental essays. This seems simple, but you'd be shocked at how many essays and deadlines that you're keeping up with your senior year. Some schools have 4 or 5 additional prompts. You do not want to forget about one of these and have to rush to finish it right up against the deadline. And number three, start early with your letters of recommendation. Reach out to those teachers, counselors, or mentors early to request your letters of recommendation. This gives them plenty of time to write thoughtful and personalized letter on your behalf. Make sure to provide them with your resume or list of achievements to make the process a lot smoother. Starting early really helps to avoid the last-minute stress and ensures that letters are as strong as possible. All right, that's your complete guide to the Common App for 2025 and the key changes that can give you a competitive edge when applying to college. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with the schools that you're applying to. I'd love to hear about them. And remember, if you need help with your Common App essay or activity list, you can book a call with our enrollment team to learn way more. Good luck and happy applying.